Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Ensure the modem and router are powered and their firmware is up to date, because outdated firmware limits performance. Next, reboot both devices and wait 60 seconds before reconnecting to clear temporary glitches. While that runs, plug a laptop directly into the modem or router with an Ethernet cable to measure baseline speed and latency so you know if the issue is wireless only. Once you have that baseline, you can decide the correct next actions. Now you'll optimize physical placement and radio settings because radio waves matter more than hype. Place the router centrally and high, away from thick walls, microwaves, and baby monitors. Once done, log into its admin page and test different 4 GHz channels, try 1, 6, and 11, and create a separate 5 GHz network for capable devices. Also make sure security is WPA2 or WPA3 and disable legacy B/G. Finish by validating changes. Run speed tests in several rooms and at different times to spot congestion patterns, and document results so you know whether improvements are real. If coverage still fails in key areas, add a wired access point or a mesh system rather than relying on boosters. Wired backhaul gives the most consistent results. If speeds remain poor after these steps, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings. Then contact your ISP and provide wired test numbers so they can isolate upstream issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.